Hello, fellow gardeners. Today we're diving into something truly rewarding, growing walnut trees from seeds. If you've ever wanted to grow your own walnut tree right from scratch, this is the video for you. Stick around as we take you through the entire process, from seed to sapling. First things first, why grow walnuts from seeds? Growing your own walnut tree can be a fun and fulfilling project. Not only will you get fresh, organic walnuts right from your backyard, but you'll also contribute to a greener environment by planting a tree that can live for over a century. Let's start with choosing the right walnuts. For the best results, pick fresh, mature walnuts that have fallen from the tree. Avoid using store-bought walnuts as they are often processed and may not germinate. If you don't have a walnut tree nearby, you can buy unshelled walnuts from a local farmer's market or a trusted online source. Once you have your walnuts, you need to prepare the seeds. Start by removing the husks, if they're still intact. Be careful. Walnut husks can stain your hands, so wear gloves. After removing the husks, wash the walnuts thoroughly to remove any remaining pulp. Now let's move on to the most crucial step, stratification. Segment 4. Stratifying the seeds. Walnut seeds require a period of cold stratification to break dormancy and start germinating. Place the cleaned walnuts in a container filled with damp sand or peat moss. Make sure the medium is moist but not soggy. Store the container in a refrigerator or a cold place where the temperature stays between 34 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1 to 5 degrees Celsius for about 3 to 4 months. Segment 5. Planting the seeds. After the stratification period, your walnut seeds are ready to be planted. Choose a deep pot or container with good drainage because walnut roots grow long and need space. Fill the pot with well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Plant each seed about 2 inches deep, with the pointed end facing down. Water the soil well, ensuring it's moist but not waterlogged. Now it's time to care for your seedlings. Place the pot in a sunny spot. Walnut trees love sunlight. Water the seedlings regularly, but avoid overwatering. Once the seedlings have grown to about 6 inches tall, they're ready to be transplanted to a permanent location in your garden. When transplanting, choose a site with plenty of space, as walnut trees can grow quite large. Dig a hole deep enough to accommodate the long taproot and gently place the seedling in. Backfill the hole with soil, water thoroughly, and mulch around the base to retain moisture. With proper care, your walnut tree will thrive. Remember to water it regularly, especially in the first few years. Pruning is also essential to shape the tree and remove any dead or diseased branches. Patience is key when growing walnut trees from seeds. It may take 5 to 7 years before your tree starts producing nuts, but once it does, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest every year. And that's it. You've successfully grown your very own walnut tree from seed. Thanks for joining me on this gardening journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips, and share your progress in the comments below. Happy gardening!